this video, I'll show you how to add chapters in Premiere Pro using FireCut. So we have this 21-minute masterclass that talks about different topics, how to create a video. I don't want to go through it to identify the chapters, so I'll just click on Add Chapters. So first of all, we can add the chapter counts. We can set the minimum of, let's say, 5 and the maximum of 10. I want to set either a full sequence or the in and out points, and we can also ask it to generate a title and a description. And click on Go. Now that it's done, let's take a look. It generates a couple of titles for us, a full YouTube description. What I like about the description is that it also has important keywords that people search for that helps the video with the keywords. Then if you scroll down, there's going to be chapters. The great thing about the chapters is that it also gives us the timestamps. So if I click on copy the timestamps and I'm going to paste it, it's going to be pasted in exactly the format that YouTube requires so that you don't have to customize it by hand. Scroll even further, we can add markers. It's going to show us here at the top in green the chapters so that it's easier for us to identify. And if we go into the chapter clips by scrolling down a little bit further, we're able to add these dividers between the chapters. So we can just select one and scroll a little bit down and click on Add Clips. It's going to do it automatically. So instead of creating from scratch or going to something like After Effects, we can just do it here. Now we can copy this text and put it directly on YouTube, or if we use the short form, in other social media.